Today, we'll explore the fundamentals of investing, why investing is essential for growing your wealth, beating inflation, and maintaining your purchasing power over time. Why invest? Investing is crucial to combat inflation, one of the biggest threats to your money. Inflation slowly erodes the value of your cash, making your savings worth less as prices rise. But by investing, you can ensure your money works for you, growing steadily over time. There are two main ways to make money when investing: asset growth and dividends from stocks. The basics of investing. At its core, investing is about making your money grow. It's not just about keeping pace with inflation, but about outpacing it to increase your wealth. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned investor, the philosophy remains the same. Grow your money to protect and increase its value over time. How investments generate income. When you invest, your money can generate returns in a couple of key ways. The first is through the growth in the value of the assets you own. For example, when you invest in stocks, you're hoping their value increases over time, so you can sell them for more than what you paid. The second way is through dividends. Some companies share a portion of their profits with shareholders, which provides you with a steady stream of income. Investing in index funds. One of the easiest ways to get started with investing is through index funds. Legendary investor Warren Buffett himself recommends this approach, especially for beginners. But what is an index fund? Essentially, an index fund tracks a specific stock market index, like the S&P 500 or NASDAQ, which is made up of the largest companies in the United States. This method allows investors to benefit from the collective growth of these companies without needing to handpick individual stocks. It's a diversified, simple, and effective way to invest in the market without trying to beat it. The advantages of index funds. Index funds offer a diversified portfolio by giving you exposure to hundreds of companies at once. This diversification minimizes your risk because while one stock may go down, another might go up, balancing your overall portfolio. With index funds, you don't have to worry about choosing individual winners or losers. It's about owning a small piece of many businesses, reducing your overall risk. Starting small, thinking big. You don't need a fortune to start investing. In fact, you can start with as little as £100 or dollars on platforms like Vanguard. It's not about how much you start with. It's about getting started. The key is to diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across various asset classes like stocks, real estate, and even cryptocurrencies if you're feeling adventurous. This strategy helps you minimize risks while still aiming for potential growth. The importance of patience in investing. Investing isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. The stock market can be volatile in the short term, but history has shown that over the long run, patience pays off. It's important to stay calm during market dips and resist the urge to panic sell. By holding your investments, you give them the opportunity to recover and grow over time. Alternative ways to invest. While index funds are a great starting point, they're not the only way to invest. Some of the best investments you can make are in yourself. By improving your education, enhancing your skills, or even starting your own business, you can unlock far greater potential returns. Investing in yourself or your own business is like creating a personalized wealth-building machine. When you develop a business, you're in control of your financial growth, which can often surpass the returns from traditional investments. Slow versus fast investment strategies. There are different approaches to investing. One is the slow, steady path of investing in index funds over time. It's safe, consistent, and a reliable way to build wealth. But there's also the fast approach, investing in yourself and your business. This approach can yield much quicker results, as you're actively working to grow your income through increased skills or entrepreneurial success. The return on investment from personal development or a business can be significantly higher than relying solely on the stock market. Maximizing your income potential. By improving your education, you increase your value in the job market, which leads to higher earnings. The more you invest in learning new skills or gaining expertise, the greater your potential income becomes. Additionally, starting your own business opens the door to faster financial growth, allowing you to control your destiny and reap larger rewards in a shorter period of time. To sum it up, investing is an essential tool for growing your wealth, fighting inflation, and securing your financial future. Whether you choose the slow and steady path of index funds or the rapid route of personal development and entrepreneurship, the key is to start now. Make your money work for you by investing wisely and consistently. The future is in your hands, and the earlier you begin, the better positioned you'll be for long-term success. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more financial tips and strategies to build a better future.